do you call this? This is what you call
The hand sanitizer box.
hand sanitizer box. So these are the BCT students. Matu, Rihanna, Douglas. Oh, I forgot Elijah. Okay. Oh, do it. So they installed all of this in all rooms.
Paper? Yeah. Coffee?
لو شكي
Cut.
What can you say? The future valedictorian.
No, not future.
The future Hall of Fame.
Here installing sanitizer boxes
Okay.
for school.
Oh, and then, okay, continue.
It's also part of preparing for our WASC accreditation.
Okay. One of the smartest seniors. Oh, the dumbest?
That's the word.
No, you guys are all smart. And the smiliest. Sorry. Is there such thing as that word? Smiliest?
Nope.
The craziest.
The craziest. Oh, that's Elijah. The handsome boy. Seki.
Wrong mister.
Jonia's boy. Friend.
Jonius Kama.
What's coming? What's coming?
Boy.
Ah, boy.
Jonius ko aluang.
And mama's boy.
Mama's boy. Jonia's mama's boy. This one is YouTube. You cannot see it. Yeah. When you see the ads, don't skip. Oh, yeah. Project of BCT. Sick, yeah.
$12.99 for a box.
Oh, yeah.
If you want us to ship it over, $15.99. That cost is for the gas and
Yes.
for the transportation. Not only transportation, but also
Oba.
for the box. It's done.
Okay.
Yeah, that boom.
The BCT boys.
Hey, girl.
So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 to be installed more. Oh, Douglas, open this one. The second. Okay, already installed in my room. What you call this again?
It's a
Hand sanitizer box.
it's a stand for hand sanitizer box, portable washing machine.
Washing machine. Thank you, Douglas. Yeah, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving too.
The future valedictorian.
No.
Happy White Sunday.
What's
Merry
Sunday?
Halloween.
Really? Oh, they're going now.
Alright, mister.
Installing